Hi there, and welcome to the Joint Commission Resources Quality and Safety Network Accreditation Update. I'm your host, Jamie Marvin. In 2001, as part of a national effort to address the widespread problem of underassessment and undertreatment of pain, the Joint Commission introduced standards for organizations to improve their care for patients with pain. For more than a decade, experts had called for better assessment and more aggressive treatment, including the use of opioids. Many doctors were afraid to prescribe opioids, despite a widely cited article suggesting that addiction was rare when opioids were used for short-term pain. Education, guidelines, and advocacy had not changed practice, and leaders called for stronger methods to address the problem. Now, fast forward to today, the Joint Commission recently announced the implementation of new and revised pain assessment and management standards, effective January 1st, 2018, for its accredited hospitals. These new and revised requirements were developed through a rigorous research, evaluation, and review process. In early 2016, the Joint Commission began conducting an extensive literature review on contemporary clinical guidelines and best practices for pain assessment and management, including safe opioid prescribing, in order to identify disparities between its current accreditation requirements and contemporary guidance. Following the literature review, staff convened a technical advisory panel of experts to discuss developments in the field of pain assessment and management. Staff's next step was to conduct learning visits to research leading practices in pain assessment and management and the safe use of opioids. The Joint Commission then convened a standards review panel to review draft pain assessment and management standards. Standards review panel members, who are nominated from Joint Commission accredited organizations or professional associations, are individuals who can provide a boots-on-the-ground point of view and give insights into the practical application of proposed standards. Finally, the draft pain assessment and management standards were released for public comment in January 2017. The enhanced pain assessment and management standards include the following new requirements: identifying a leader or leadership team who's responsible for pain management and safe opioid prescribing, involving patients in developing their treatment plans and setting realistic expectations and measurable goals, promoting safe opioid use by identifying high-risk patients, monitoring those high-risk patients, facilitating clinician access to prescription drug monitoring program databases, and conducting performance improvement activities, focusing on pain assessment and management to increase safety and quality for patients. The new and revised requirements are posted on the Joint Commission website at jointcommission.org, Standards, Information, Pre-Publication Standards. These revisions will be reflected in the Fall 2017 edition, released for the Comprehensive Accreditation Manual for Hospitals, as well as the hard copy publications for 2018. Questions may be directed to Trina Crow, Associate Project Director, Department of Standards and Survey Methods, the Joint Commission, at tcrow@jointcommission.org. Now stay tuned for today's JCR QSN program.